Hello, namaste, namaskaram, adab, vanakkam. Welcome to my kitchen, Bachelor's Bawarsi Kitchen. Today we are gonna prepare Mexican rice bowl. So this is one of the rice bowl which I was craving for many days. Because of this pandemic, I was not able to go outside. For this recipe, stay tuned for the complete video and watch my video until the end so that you will get to know how to prepare this Mexican rice bowl. So let's not waste any more time and quickly dive into preparation of this Mexican rice bowl. Firstly, to prepare the Mexican rice, we need to make our salsa. To make the salsa, I have taken the tomatoes, and the best part is these tomatoes are grown on my terrace. So I'm feeling so happy today that I'm making some recipe with vegetables which are grown by myself. Cap it up. Start. So we have prepared our tomato puree. With this tomato puree we are making our salsa. So just pour into a bowl chopped onions, coriander and a couple of green chilli, and a few jalapenos. I have soaked them in the vinegar for a couple of minutes. Squeeze in bit lemon. Add pinch of salt. Just give a mix. Wow, it is smelling good. Don't worry, it is right now in a very thick consistency as we added onions and salt, right? So that all the water will be coming out and you will be finding it in a bit liquidy state. So let it rest for a couple of minutes. I have heated my pan and added 2 tablespoons of oil. Into this oil I'm gonna add garlic. Here we're gonna use a good amount of garlic and couple of green chilies and onions. Just give a nice saute. Don't burn them or don't fry until they are brown. I'm gonna add green capsicum, yellow bell peppers and carrots. Saute them for 2 minutes. Keep the flame on medium. Okay, my vegetables are sauteed now. Into this, I'm going to add blanched sweet corn. I've blanched them for 1 minute. Soaked and cooked rajma or kidney beans. Mexican food is without, there is no Mexican food without beans, corns or any other kind of beans like chickpeas. So at least you'll be finding one or other beans in the Mexican food. So without beans there is no Mexican food. Add salt as per required taste. As we're gonna add rice also, I'm gonna add a little bit of more salt. just cook them for 2 more minutes. Okay, it's been cooked now. I'm taking couple of this mixture into the plate so that I can later use in the while preparing the Mexican rice ball. So just take few of the veggies to the plate. Okay, into this I'm gonna add the tomato puree which we prepared earlier. Now we're gonna add the spice powder into this. This is a mixture of spice powder. It contains cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili and oregano. So just add 1.5 tablespoon of this mixture. Give a mix. Into this I'm gonna add the cooked rice. Just gently give a mix. So it has been nicely mixed now. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch off my stove and we'll show you the process of bowling it. It's time to plate our Mexican rice. So what I'll do is I'll take couple of scoops into the bowl. Just take onto this we're gonna spread the veggies which we took separately. Onto this I'm gonna add the salsa which we prepared earlier. Then grate the cheese. Then add some nachos on top of it. And a little bit of salsa. So there you go, our Mexican rice ball is ready. So it's ready to taste. So please do try this recipe and mention your feedback in the comment section. Click on the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I'll see you soon with different recipes. Until then, bye bye, Khuda Hafiz.